Okay, everybody, welcome. I wanted to give you a little tutorial on our project that we're going to be doing here in Minecraft. I have literally never played this game before, so we're going to try to go through this, and I'm going to make lots of mistakes. Here we go. So when we come in, we're going to come into the computer lab, and we're going to enter this Minecraft world here, and we're going to follow some directions. So first off, we're going to go to these chests, and we're going to take a journal from one of them, because we're going to need to record some information. Only take one journal when you come in. Don't take multiple. So I'm going to come in here and open this. There we go. And now I've got a journal. I also have a camera. That's because we were working with it before. I'll show you how to get that later. You're not going to need it right away. But now I have a journal. You're only going to have a journal. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to read the next step. So answer the following questions in your journal. The area ahead of you is 50 blocks wide, 50 blocks long, 50 blocks deep. How many blocks total are contained in that area? Really, that's a volume question. Everybody should know how to do that, and you'll be able to do that in your journal. I'm not going to do that for you now for two reasons. I'm not sure how to get into my journal, and I don't want to give you the answer. So we're going to move on to the next step, step 3. Once you have answered the question in your journal, step on a pressure plate. Here we go. All right. Here I am in this field, and I've been positioned randomly in this field. And what I'm going to do in this field is go over and read the directions. Okay, step 4. We're going to figure out what this region is made of. So our goal here is to figure out through sampling what the percentage of the various, what the percentage of this world, the ground in this world is made of. So you make a prediction, you take an iron pickaxe from one of the chests in the area and make sure it is enchanted, it should be glowing purple, then pick up a spot somewhere in the area and dig straight down. So let's say I've made my prediction about what this area is made of, and then I'm going to come over here. Not do that, don't do that, because that breaks things. Instead, click on there, there's my pickaxe, good, okay, good. And then I'm going to switch that pickaxe. Hi, how are you? So now I have my pickaxe, and I'm going to figure out how to switch to it in my so I have to figure out how to get into my inventory. So I think I do it this way. In my inventory, click on that. No, okay. Maybe, nope, not that. Not that. That's that button again. Now I've hit that button twice, so there, that's good. That's not what I want either. That jumps. Okay, after a quick Google search, I now know how to switch items. I press this button. I go to my pickaxe. Okay, now I've gone to my pickaxe. I'm going to find a space in the world, and I'm going to start digging down. Now, it's important that as you dig down, you pay attention to what is going into your inventory, and that you only dig down 50 spaces. Okay, and once you dig down 50 spaces, going very slowly here, I should definitely go faster. Once you dig down 50 spaces, you'll end up in this room. Don't dig further down. Stay in this room for a moment. Don't get stuck in a hole. All right, there we go. Don't get stuck in a hole again. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to read my directions. Check your inventory. You should have a total of 50 blocks of different types. Okay, so let's check our inventories. I am in the wrong mode, I think. So hold on one second. I need to switch to survival mode. I need to resume the game. Okay, now I should have, I think because I dug down before I was in survival mode, I actually didn't save any of my blocks. So what we're going to have to do here is fly back out and try again. And I think I can fly by double tapping this and going up somehow. How does one fly up here? Definitely flying. That's true. Don't seem to be. There we go. Okay. Fly back out this hole here. Now, a lot of this will be set for you as soon as you come into the world, right? You won't be in creative mode, you'll be in survival mode, but it's good to see all of these mistakes that you could make and think about how to fix them. And I know that you guys probably know a lot more about this than I do. Here, we're going to try again. Okay, so now we're digging down. We need to actually get into the hole so we can collect our boxes, our blocks here. Here we go. And you can see right down there on my hotbar, in my inventory, the blocks are starting to accumulate, which is what I didn't see earlier, but I should have seen. So, okay, digging down. Here we go. Remember, we only want to go down 50 blocks into that room that I was in before, so that we can see. Okay, here we are. We're back in that room, and let's see, I've got 26 plus another 5, so that's 31, plus 3 is 34, plus 6 is 40. Actually, looks like I only got 41 in my hotbar, so maybe I'll jump in here and see. Okay, 41, 42 plus the 8 gives me 50. So I do have 50 blocks. So I check and make sure that I have 50 blocks. I do. Let's see what the rest of the directions here say. Okay, if you fell through any open spaces and you don't have as many blocks as you need, you can get glass, which will represent air, for the next step. And you can do that over here and grab it as much glass as you need. Once you've done that, you're going to get out of here. So if you come over here, you'll see I think the next step is just to step through into one of these areas here, which will teleport me out of here. So is that true? Yes, okay. Now I've been teleported to my little space here. I'm going to come in here and I can read. We're ready to create our plot, and so we're going to take each block and we're going to make a tower out of each one of these blocks to show basically a bar graph of what we've created. So I'm going to start with my largest section here, which is the cobblestone here. And I'm going to just start laying the cobblestone down, one on top of the other. And now, obviously, I can't keep going like this. I need to be able to fly, which I can't do in this mode, so I'm going to switch modes again. Talk to your helper. Oh, I have to talk to my helper. That's who's going to tell me how to fly. Thank you, Mr. Sappington. Okay, here we go. Where's my helper? Here he is. Okay, I'm going to talk to him. Fly. Yes, please. Also, get my camera. I told you we were going to get that from before, and I don't want to take fall damage when I come back down. Okay, here we go. Double tap my space bar, and I am flying. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to lay block and block and block, fly some more, block. I think I went up too high, so I have to go back down. Go. Block, block, block.